Are you tired of constantly cleaning pet hair, dust, and debris from your floors? Meet the Mova S10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the perfect solution to keep your home spotless while you relax. Designed for modern homes, pet owners, and busy lifestyles, this robotic vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced features to make cleaning effortless. Let's start with the basics: 7,000 PA of suction power. That's right. This vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. Whether it's stubborn dust on hard floors, pet hair tangled in your carpets, or scattered snack crumbs, the Mova S10 handles it all with ease. Its uniquely designed suction port ensures it picks up debris without tangling, making it especially ideal for pet owners. But it doesn't stop there. The smart carpet cleaning feature takes cleaning to a whole new level. The Mova S10 can sense dust and debris on carpets using ultrasonic detection. When it recognizes the need for deeper cleaning, it automatically boosts suction power to deliver a spotless finish. And here's the genius part: its VibroTurbo Mopping System. When transitioning from hard floors to carpets, the robot lifts its mops by 7 millimeters to protect your carpets from moisture. No need to switch settings or worry about wet carpets. It's all automatic. The Mova S10 isn't just about raw power, it's also incredibly smart. With precise mapping and 3D adapt obstacle avoidance, the vacuum uses advanced sensors to create an accurate map of your home. This ensures it avoids obstacles and delivers safe, efficient cleaning every time. You can even create up to 4 distinct floor maps, making it ideal for multi-level homes. Set no-mop zones, establish virtual boundaries, and tailor your cleaning experience, all from the Mova app. Speaking of control, this vacuum puts the power in your hands. With voice compatibility, you can connect it to Alexa, Siri, or Google Home and clean your home using simple voice commands. Prefer using your phone? The Mova app allows you to customize everything, from suction power to cleaning patterns, ensuring your vacuum does exactly what you need when you need it. And let's talk about battery life. The Mova S10 is built to last. With an impressive runtime of 260 minutes, it can clean up to 175 square meters or 1,884 square feet in a single charge. Whether you're cleaning a small apartment or a larger home, this robot vacuum ensures uninterrupted, powerful cleaning throughout its route. And when it's done, it returns to its charging dock automatically, ready for its next cleaning session. With a sleek black design, compact dimensions of 13.78 inches in diameter and 3.83 inches in height, and a lightweight build of just 8.6 pounds, the Mova S10 fits seamlessly into any home. It works on hard floors, carpets, marble, wood, and tile, making it versatile enough to handle all your cleaning needs. Join countless others who've discovered the convenience of a clean home without the hassle. The Mova S10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is more than just a vacuum. It's your partner in maintaining a pristine living space, giving you more time to enjoy what matters most. Ready to experience the future of cleaning? Get the Mova S10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner today and let it transform the way you clean your home.